Hi everyone. So I'll just take us through our prototype for now. So here we're just trying to sign in or sign up just in case you do not have an account. That's the way to go for the sign up. You can also sign up using Facebook, and we obviously hope to include sign up using Google and all that. So we sign in and we see what happens after that. But basically, our application has the customer and the courier. The customer being the person who needs their things transported, and the courier being the driver or the truck owner or the vehicle owner. So this is what happens when you sign in. We have create a job. Basically, helps the customer be able to upload their information, like we've seen here, name of whatever needs to be picked up. So it can be literally anything. Yeah, so here we used bananas, and then the description. It could be maybe something like it's a fragile commodity. It's perishable and perishable. It's, yeah, any kind of description that you'd like to give the couriers to make sure that your yeah your parcel gets to where it's supposed to go safely. And then we have different categories of parcels. For here we choose luggage. You can choose anything. There is, for since we're picking up bananas, we could have chosen fruits and vegetables. And then the size, is it large, is it small, medium, of which when it comes to the size, we plan on being a little bit more precise in terms of like the measurements, so that because small, medium, large can be subjective to the person who is describing it. So we're going to be a little bit more specific. Then the customer can now upload a picture just to make sure that the description they gave us and the picture, they are one and the same thing. So yes, so we're just uploading any picture because we do not have pictures of bananas. And then the quantity, here we're also going to be precise. Is it one box, is it two boxes, what kind of, yeah, just the quantity. Then the pickup, where does the customer want their parcel to be picked? So we just put any pickup address, and we have our Google Maps there. Um, so as we will see, the after you put your pickup address and your delivery address, should be able to show it on the map. Pickup name, that's the person to whom we're going to contact. We're going to pick the parcel, and then pick up phone number, just in case we need to contact them. Perhaps maybe the address they gave us is not the correct address, or yeah, just in case need arises. As you can see on the left side, the job summary is just updating itself, and then now we're working on the delivery, the delivery address, delivery name, and delivery phone number. Yeah, just like the pickup details. And then after that, we now go to the payments. So when it comes to the payments, at first for you to create a job, you had to have uploaded your credit card or your debit card. And yes, so we can see there the price has already been calculated. At this point, we're just calculating the price. We're determining the price using sort of like the distance that the courier is going to travel. But in the future, we want to be able to calculate the price using, like the volume or the quantity of the parcel, if there's if it's fragile, if it's perishable, and all that. So basically, as we can see here, on the customer side, these are just examples of previous jobs that we had worked on, and now this is the current job. And then something else that we would like to also show on this in the near future is price transparency, because we discovered that most logistics companies are not able to show us how they're coming up with the prices. So we'd like to just give the customers a sort of like break it for them to show that okay, A is because of A, B is because of B. So just like I had mentioned previously, so this is how you track your delivery. And this is the starting point, and this is the you know what, the delivery point. So the pickup and the delivery point, and it's optimized to the best, cheapest, and greenest routes. So let's try and sign in as a courier to see what is going to happen. So the sign in, sign up process is still the same. So yeah, we're just trying to do the sign in. Basically, it's the same thing as the, yeah, the sign up. The courier side and the customer side, it's still the same thing. So we're just trying to sign up. Sorry, it took a little bit more time to, yeah, sign up the courier, but everything is done now. Um, so here we go. We have Walker Lugua, who is our courier, or rather our driver, or our truck or vehicle owner. So we can see this is the new job. The job that was created by the customer. It's now being reflected on the courier's platform. So we can see that it's going to take 83 minutes, and that is 46.03 kilometers to pick the bananas and deliver them to where they are needed. And the price that the customer will be charged is 93.68. So on the on this customers on the courier side, he or she is able to accept the job, and if he does not want to accept the job, he can just leave it and someone else is going to accept it. It just depends on also how close you are, and the condition of your vehicle. Is it in a position to carry whatever the customer needs to be carried? So there are lots of things to really what is it called? There are a lot of things to determine, before any driver is given a job. So basically, for this driver, yeah, he can accept or not. And then there's obviously, for the driver, the payout. Right now we have the PayPal um, payment gateway. In the future, since we're working with African countries, and our prototype will be in East Africa, we should be able to, integrate normal, not like normal, but like, yeah, payment gateways for other, yeah, for the East African companies like M-Pesa, Airtel Money. Yes. So that's it. That's it. That's what we have now. And yeah, thank you so much. And then, so just to add on, there are a few things that we have not included here. Like on the signing in, signing up, we're obviously going to include signing with, um, you know, Google, which is much easier, and then pricing transparency by use of AI and all that. And then, yeah, basically those ones. And then we're also going to include on the pricing, we're going to include the different currencies, just in case it's cross border. The person should be able to see the different currencies in USD, let's say in Kenyan shillings, in Ugandan shillings, in Tanzanian shillings. And we're also going to include an in-app channel of communication, because we discovered that sort of like a bit cross border communication is a bit difficult between the customers and the clients, and even the couriers, you know and yeah, so we're going to include that too, to enhance communication. Thank you so much. There's more to come in the near future, which we're going to share with you. But for now, this is what we have, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.